Just so you can tuck it under.
There we go.
Thanks.
Two tight, walk it out. All right, so
have him run in that building real quick.
Go.
Come on. Ready?
There's 4 or 5 people in here that need medic, just be careful when you go in there.
Okay. Yeah, green. Green. Woo! See what you mean. I'm walking over you. Hey, I'll cover. Tell me when.
Now, Ron, go.
Go. Hey, dude.
Come back.
Come on. Reloading. No, he's alive. I got him. Where is he?
We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, I got him. Where's your medic at?
We're gonna get out of here.
Yeah, I know. Let me just save these people.
Thanks a lot. I want you.
No problem.
Where's he at?
You're good. You want? Let's see what I can do.
Get the back of your head up. Stand up.
Yes, sir.
All right. Joe, I'm on your right shoulder on 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go. Now we're running.
Go, baby, go.
Guns up. Yeah!
And the rest of our team is just sitting there. Okay. You just want to do a suicide because we're known for this, right?
Yeah. Have you checked to see if there anyone left?
Let me look real quick.
I'll tell you if anyone's coming up on you.
Yeah, they're left. They're definitely left. All right, I have an idea. Throw it that way. We're going to run that way because they won't have an angle on us from there. And we're just going to breach and we're going to get shot most definitely, but we're going to take a few of them with us for sure.
Yes, 1 green. It's clear. Green. Check around the corner. Hey, Matt.
What?
Down there in the doorway.
I got nades. Oh shit!
Hey,
He's got no way on the
He's on the stairs.
back up, guys. Where's your pass?
Right side.
Yep. Yeah, dude, we did it.
Hey, he's on the balcony. Hey, can we get around this side? Oh, that's great. Target down. He's down. Up, hit. Right side, IFAC. Right here. All right, thank you. I got a lot of work on my head. Hey, Larson, let's make something happen.
You gotta get a mass amount of dudes and just go.
Do it. All right, you want to cut back this way and then cut to that building? Hey, we need to get back there and support these guys. We're losing that too much. Hey, guys. Oh, shit. Hey, we got guys down over here.
Directly around that corner.
Okay. Thank you. Hold it. I'll grab his boot. Here. Can you maybe kick me your boot? Medic. Get on.
I can cover you.
They're all stacked up on that wall right here. I'm not dead.
Oh, shit. Reloading. I took one down. There's like 5 of them. Hit. I mean.
Far up. Look, there's people in here. Do you see? Corner of the fire truck. Front corner. There's people in the corner. We got 2 guys. Well, I got this fire truck. Hit.
Heads up. Shit. Oh, shit.
Oh, okay, sorry.
There you go. Thank you, greatly appreciated. Hey, you guys just want to run? I'm down to run.
Go.
You ready?
Go.
Go.
Cover fire.
Go. Shit. I'm on you. Can we open this door? I don't see one on the left.
I don't know. You could have disappeared.
Can we open this door? Nope. We got friendlies right here.
I want to breach this building and close medics out.
Alright, tell you what. How about this? I'm kind of suicidal. Alright.
If you're feeling sloppy, bro, I got you.
Hold on 1 second.
Here,
Hold on. Hello. You're in there.
It's so peaceful.
Tell you what, let's walk on. Yeah, we got green up there.
Run up to the green thing.
You think moving up to the green thing would be smart?
I'll do it.
Yeah. Let's go.
I got you guys covered.
Target down.
Matt, now! Matt, turn!
Oh, hit. Good shot, man.
He got me in the leg. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Here it goes. Oh god. Yeah. Good man, thank you.
These guys, there they are! Go!
I got your back.
So we're here, Green Fob. Building 10 is here. So we're gonna hook, but this is what building 10 is where we're gonna burn our intel.
Roger. Are we taking wheels there? Or are we just gonna walk it?
I think y'all are walking.
Really? Okay. We're gonna stay inside the wire or outside the wire? Because they own building 7.
But I might see if I can get y'all a healer for that.
Roger. I'm running this building, fuck. Oh, hit. Shit. I'm just gonna sit over here so I'm not in the way. Green, yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's alright, man. It's hard to tell. Hey, we got a medic!
He just sat down and said, of course you got a medic!
Hey, my man!
That was awesome. You went running.
I was like, no, I'm out, man. I'm doing this. Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's up?
Not much.
How you guys show up? Daniel.
Hey, listen up.
What?
All right, we got a Frago mission, meaning we have a guy with these intel packets. We have to take and secure Building 10. At that time, the guy with the documents will come to Building 10, in which we will then burn the documents inside Building 10, but we have to secure it first.
It's like a ritual.
Oh, wait, hold on a second. Target down, target down. Target down, target down. Out, reloading. I'm up.
I got a few.
You did?
Got a few, yeah. They're pulling dead rack.
Down, you're down. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go, bird. You can run with me? Yeah, I'll run with you. Let's run. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Holy. The door. Pull your pistol. He's right around the other side. crap. I was ready to die. He's going in.
Hey, sit down here.
Hit.
Tony, I'm on you. Hey, is there a guy in there? Hey, I got a grenade.
Right, watch this. Pushing through here, they're shooting.
No, we got friendlies. Hey, hold on. Hold her here. Hey, coming through, watch out. Hey, yo! Hey, everyone on this side, we have friendlies in this building. Hey, stop shooting. We have friendlies coming up through this door over here. The only contacts you should be taking are straight that way. Anything on the right side down that right hallway is friendly, okay? Roger. Hey, if you're in the door. Medic! Green medic! Good shot. Anyone have grenades? Bring them up here right now. In here. Hey, someone talk to me. Who has frag grenades? Anyone have frag grenades? Any type. Thunder beam.
We would have used it already, bro.
All right. So.
Clear. You see this?
All right.
All right. Front door, man.
Hey, we got a grenade. All right. Throw that in there. All right, listen to me. When he goes in there, we all have to go.
Don't fucking stop.
Don't stop. We take this at all costs.
I'm ready.
All right, ready?
Okay.
Guys, right up. Jack up.
Friendly creature, tuck it to the corner. Off the wall.